Hey there guys, my name is Fabian, I'm Swiss RC, and this is my setup video about the Team BlackSheep Caipirinha. So before we get into my setup video, I want to point out that this video is mainly because you guys requested it. So the first question that I'm gonna answer is how I travel with my Caipirinha. I showed you how I traveled with my QAV 400. This video you can check out right here. And this is how I do it with my Caipirinha. It's like probably exactly the same. You just put the Caipirinha here on the back with those straps. You can remove that. Then in one side pocket, like the cup holder, we have the 11 dBi Team BlackSheep Yagi antenna, and then the other one there be the tripod, just as in the QAV 400, but I'm currently using the tripod for my camera, so I don't have that in my backpack right now. And for the inside, it's the exact same shoebox. Let me open it up. As you can see, same screen, same LiPo, but this time with the Yagi antenna and the receiver mounted on there. I have another video cable, a different one than the other one. This is for the Lame 2.4 gig system. I have the same power cord, XT62, 3 DC or AC plugs. Then I have my Taranis, this time with the EasyUHF module. And I have my antenna, which I have to screw on, like so. And then obviously, rather than 4S LiPos, I have 2S 3300 milliamp 30C TBS LiPos. Alright, now let me show you what I did with my Team BlackSheep Caipirinha. As you probably seen in my Caipirinha build video, which you can check out right here, the two parts, I have all the suggested electronics from Team BlackSheep. A Lame 2.4 GHz 500 milliwatt transmitter with a standard dock style antenna, the two TBS servos, the 12 amp speed controller, I think made by Tiger Motor for TBS, then the 2000 kV probably like 22 millimeter motor with a Grobner 8x5 if I'm not mistaken, my GoPro Hero 3 Plus. In here I have the core PNP something version, 25 amps. Right here I have a Sony 600 TV line camera, which I've been using for a long time. Here I have my 4-channel EasyUHF light receiver with just one antenna, and obviously the LiPo, which is also standard. But I did some things a little bit different. For example, I put a little alloy plate on here. I just cut up a tube and then bent it straight and around this corner, and like that with the Sapphire style symmetrical winglets on, you can see the plane does not land on the GoPro box because it's kept up on the back, and also on the front it stands on this little alloy plate, which is mainly glued and taped to the bottom right here. So in case of a hard landing, which is kind of every landing with the Team BlackSheep Caipirinha, the force will be evenly distributed on this area. And also with the tape on, if there's dirt on it, I can just swipe that off, no problem. Now as you can see here we have the Taranis, and now I'm gonna talk about the second question I'm gonna answer in this video. Someone asked if I could post my Terrace settings, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Turn it on.
Welcome to OpenTX.
So go to menu, and then as you can see, model number 6 Caipirinha. Go to page. As you can see, I named it Caipirinha. If you're asking yourself which image this is, as you could just see the pop wing. Then let's go down here. I don't have a timer on or anything like that, but I have to go down to, where is it? Internal RF mode. This is turned off, as you can see right here, which means that there is no 2.4 GHz signal transmitted by this antenna right here, because this would harm my 2.4 video. Then the external RF module right here is set to ppm. You can set it to some other modes, but ppm is compatible with the EasyUHF module right here on the back. Then I just set it to channel 1 through 8 because that's what I set up my EasyUHF module for in the back there. The ppm frame I set to 22.5 milliseconds, which is also what I've set in my what's it called, my EasyUHF module. Now those are my settings. As you can see, the mixing, rudder obviously nothing. Then elevator, I have set it just to the basic L1 mixing together with aileron. As you can see, I have two modes, two different ones, 35% and 50% with each 20% expo. And this is the SC switch right here on the top. If I flick this one, it goes to 50, and if I put it down accidentally at the bottom, it goes to 50 as well. Because on my quadcopters I'm used to switching flight modes with the SC switch. That's why I set it on a 3-way switch, which wouldn't really make sense otherwise. And throttle is just the standard one, isn't even set right here. So here you can see throttle 100, elevator and aileron mixing just normal, and channel 2 and 3 are the elevons, and channel 1 is the throttle. But this you can do this however you want. Here you see the throws. First I'm gonna go to elevator and the small setting, the lighter setting for smooth flying, which is up 8 millimeters and down around 7 millimeters, as you can see. Then the bigger setting, 50% throw, is up around 1 centimeter and down as well from 9 to 10 millimeters. Then for aileron, if I put the aileron down, it goes around 6 millimeters, and if I put it up in the small mode, remember, it goes about 7 millimeters. In the 50% throw, it goes from 1 to 1 up, 1.1 centimeters or 11 millimeters up, and 10 millimeters down. So those were my throws. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section right below this video. But one thing I want to point out is that, as you can see, the throw for elevator down or just flap down has always been just a tiny bit smaller and then up. And this is because if you fly quick and then put the elevator in the down position, full down, and the plane is gonna go do something weird. It's probably gonna spiral down like that, which is sometimes pretty hard to recover from. Now, if you've watched this video until here, I'd like to thank you for watching my Team BlackSheep Caipirinha setup. Once again, thanks to Team BlackSheep and Raphael Perker, aka Trappy, for sending me this kit for free. Then I want to point out some other things. I'm gonna try to make some short videos in the near future, which are gonna be about FPV cameras. I have two from Surveil Zone right here, two different models. And then I have this Sony 600 TV line camera, which I've been using for a long time. And I'm gonna try to compare those three cameras and tell you my opinion about them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.